With the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment and abundant of truths on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In today's video, I am going to solve second question of exercise 2.1 and second part. First, we have to find the nature of the root and then verify. So, I am going to solve second part of question number 2. Equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. And the value of A is 2, the value of B is 3 and the value of C is 7. So first we will find discriminant, and the formula of discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now I will replace the values of A, B and C, and the value of B is 3, so I will write 3 square minus 4. In place of A, 2 will be written and the value of C is 7. Now students, the square of 3 means 9, minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 7s are 56. There are two terms, one is positive and other is negative. Subtract the smaller number from the greater one and put the sign of greater number. So the answer will be minus 47. Now students, our discriminant is less than 0. Our discriminant is less than 0. So the roots will be imaginary. Roots will be imaginary. Now we will verify whether our roots are imaginary or not. Students, quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now put the values, and the value of b is 3, so it is written as minus into 3 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is already found out, that is minus 47 over 2a, and in place of a 2 will be there, so it will become minus 3 plus minus under root 47 multiplied by minus 1 over 4. And students, you know that square root of minus 1 is called iota, so I will put iota in place of minus 1 under root, and it is written minus 3 plus minus under root 47 iota over 4, and this iota is indicating that the roots are imaginary. Third part of question number 2 is 16x square minus 24x plus 9 is equal to 0. And first we have to find the nature of the root and then verify. So the value of A is 16, the value of B is minus 24 and the value of C is 9. And you know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Replace the values of a, b and c. The value of b is minus 24. So minus 24 square minus 4 into, in place of a, the value of a is 16 and the value of c is 9. Students, square of minus 24 is 576, minus when you multiply 4, multiply by 16 and multiply by 19, we will have 576. Subtract 576 from 576, so the answer will be 0. Our discriminant is 0. It means that our roots will be equal and rational. Now we have to verify that either our roots are equal and rational. Students, quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will replace the values of a, b and c, and the value of b is minus 24, so it is written as minus into minus 24 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 0 over 2 into the value of a is 16, so it will become minus when multiplied with minus, it will become plus. So plus minus 0 under root means 0, so it will be 24 over 32. So students, our roots are 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. The roots are equal and rational. Students, fourth part of second question is 3x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0. First we have to find the nature of the root and then verify. And according to the standard form of the quadratic equation, the value of A is 3, the value of B is 7 and the value of C is minus 13. And we have to find discriminant for finding out the nature of the root, and discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac Now I will replace the values of A, B and C, and the value of B is 7. So it will become 7 square minus 4. In place of A, the value of A is 3 and the value of C is minus 13. Now take the square of 7, that is 49. This minus and this minus both are multiplying, so it will become plus. 3 4s are 12 and 12 13s are 156. Sum of 49 and 156, we will have 205, and students, our discriminant is 205, that is greater than 0 but not a perfect square. So roots will be unequal and irrational. So we have to verify that either roots are irrational and unequal. For verifying, we have to find the value of x or roots, and we will apply quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now I will put the values of a, b and c, and the value of b is 7. So it is written as minus into 7 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac is 205. So I will put 205 over 2 into the value of a is 3. So it will become minus 7 plus minus square root of 205 over 6. Students, it cannot be simplified anymore, and it is indicating that the roots are irrational because 205 is under the square root. It is indicating that it is irrational and unequal because first root will be minus x plus under root 207 over 6, and second root will be minus 7 minus under root 205 over 6. So our roots are unequal and irrational. Question number 3 of exercise 2.1 is, for what value of k the expression k square x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus 4 is a perfect square. According to the expression, the value of a is k square, the value of b is 2 into k plus 1, and the value of c is 4. We will find discriminant, and our discriminant will be equal to 0 because we have to prove that this expression is a perfect square. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Our discriminant is 0, so I will put 0. The value of b is 2 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is k square and the value of b is 4. Now we will take the square, and the square of 2 is 4, and here we will apply the first identity a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square minus 4 4 are 16k square. And now we will simplify the bracket. It will become k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 16k square. Now we will multiply 4 with the other 3 terms, and it will be 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 16k square. 16k square and 4k square are like terms. So we will simplify both of the terms and have minus 12k square, because 16 is minus and 4 is plus. So we will subtract the smaller term from the greater and put the sign of greater. So it will become minus 12k square plus 8k plus 4. Take minus 4 as common from all the 3 terms, and we will have 0 is equal to minus 3, not minus 3, minus 4 into 3k square minus 2k minus 1. This 4 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and 4 over minus 4 means 0. 0 over minus 4 means 0, and it will become 3k square minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this equation as it is a quadratic equation. Multiply the first coefficient and the last number, and it will become minus 3. Now break this minus 3 into 2 factors in a way that the product should be equal to minus 3 and sum must be equal to minus 2. So take 3 as minus and 1 as plus. When you multiply both the numbers, you will have minus 3 and when we will sum up both the number, we will have minus 2. So we will apply plus 1 minus 3 in place of minus 2, and it will become 3k square plus k minus 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. From first two term k is common, left over will be 3k plus 1. From the last two term minus 1 is common and left over will become 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will become 3k plus 1, and the rest of the numbers that are the coefficient of both the terms are k minus 1 is equal to 0. Product of two factor is 0, so one of the factor must be 0. So we don't know that which factor is 0, so we will take both factors as 0. So students, take 3k plus 1 as 0 and k minus 1 as 0. This one is plus on left side. When we transfer it to other side, it will become minus. So 3k is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to minus 1 over 3. And this one is minus. When we transfer it to other side, it will become plus. So the values of k are minus 1 over 3 and 1. If the value of k is minus 1 over 3 or 1, then the expression will be a perfect square. Friends, question number 4 of the same exercise is we have to find the value of k if the roots are equal. You should keep in mind that when the discriminant is 0, then the roots are equal. It means that the discriminant of this equation is 0. The value of A is 2k minus 1, the value of B is 3k, and the value of C is 3. We have to find the discriminant, and discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. As the roots are equal means discriminant is 0, so I will put 0 in place of discriminant, and the value of B is 3k, so it is written 3k square minus 4 into the value of k. The value of A is 2k minus 1 and the value of C is 3. Now we will simplify. 3k whole square means 9k square minus 4 into 2 multiplied by 3 means 6k minus 3 ones are 3. Now it will become 9k square minus 24k. This minus and this minus will become plus. 3 fours are 12. Take 3 as common because 3 is the factor of all the 3 terms. So we will take 3 as common and left over will be 3k square minus 8k plus 4. This 3 is multiplying. When I transfer it to the other side, it will divide. So it will become 0 over 3 is equal to 3k square minus 8k plus 4. 0 over 3 means 0. So it will be equal to. So students, I will write 3k square on the left side minus 8k plus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply the coefficient of k square and the last number and it will become 3 fours are 12. Break this 12 into two factors such a way that the sum of the factor is minus 8. So I will write 2 multiplied by 6. Take both factors as negative. When we multiply both the number, it will become plus 12. And when we sum up both the number, it is minus 8. So I will apply minus 2 and minus 6 in place of minus 8. And it is written as 3k square minus 2k minus 6k plus 4 is equal to 0. From the first two terms, only k is common. And left over will be 3k minus 2. And from the last two terms, minus 2 is common. And left over will be 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. Students, in the bracket. So students, in the brackets numbers are same. So I will take as common 3k minus 2 as common. So it is written as 3k minus 2 into the coefficient of both the terms are k minus 2 is equal to 0. The product of two factor is 0. So one of the factor must be equal to 0. We don't know that which factor is 0. So we will take both the factors as 0. And it is written as 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. and k minus 2 is equal to 0. This 2 is minus. When we transfer it to other side, it will become plus and written as 3k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 2 over 3. This 2 is minus. When we transfer it to other side, it will become plus. So the value of k for this expression is 2 over 3 and 2. Second part of question number 4 is x square minus 2 into k plus 2 into x plus 3k plus 4 is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of k when our roots are equal, means discriminant is 0. The value of a is 1, the value of b is 2 into k plus 2, and the value of c is 3k plus 4, and we have to find discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, and our discriminant is 0 because roots are equal. So 0 is equal to 2 into k plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3k plus 4. Take square of the first term, and 2 square mean 4, and in this part we will apply the first identity a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 ones are 4 into 3k plus 4. Now we will simplify. 4 into k square plus 2 twos are 4k plus 2 square mean 4 into minus 4 threes are 12k and minus, and this plus minus 16. Multiply this 4 with all the three terms, and we will have 4k square plus 16k plus 16 minus 12k minus 16. This 16 is minus and this 16 is plus, so both will be cancelled, and we will have 4k square 16k minus 12k mean 4k, and now students take 4k as common. 0 is equal to 4k into k plus 1. Take both the factors as 0. 4k is equal to 0 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. This 4 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide. 0 over 4 means 0. So the value of k is 0 and the value of k is minus 1. So k will be 0 or 1. Students, not 1. The value of k is 0 or minus 1. Third part of question number 4 is this, and we have to find the value of k, and our roots are equal. So in this expression, a is 3k plus 2, b is minus 5 into k plus 1, and c is equal to 2k plus 3, and we have to find discriminant, and discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. In place of b, minus 5 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4. In place of a, 3k plus 2 is written, and in place of c, 2k plus 3 will be there. Now students, we will take square of first part, and the square of minus 5 is plus 25 into a plus b whole square mean a square plus 2ab, a is k and b is 1, plus b square, and that is 1 square, minus 4 into 3k multiplied by 2k means 6k square, plus and plus plus, 3 3s are 9k. Now this 2 will multiply with both the terms, and 2 2s are 4k, plus and plus plus, 2 3s are 6. Now students, it will become 25 into k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4 into 6k square plus, both are like terms, 9k plus 4k mean 13k plus 6, and it will become, now 25 will multiply with all the three terms, and we will have 25k square plus 50k plus 25 minus 4 6 are 24k square, minus and plus mean minus, 4 13s are 52k, and minus and plus mean minus 24. Now students, we will sum up the like terms. Students, this is not 4, it is 24. So 25k square minus 24k square mean k square plus 50k minus 52k mean minus 2k and 25 minus 24 mean plus 1. So students, it is a quadratic equation and we will factorize it by changing in the perfect square, and it will become a square mean x square plus b square mean 1 square, 1 can be written as 1 square, minus 2 into a into b means 2k is equal to 0. So a square plus b square minus 2ab mean a minus b whole square is equal to 0. When we take square root on both sides, then k minus 1 will become 0, because 0 square root means 0 and the value of k is 1. So students, it's enough for today. Keep watching. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time. Have a good day.